Hey guys, this is Jason for Multiple Streams of Income with another tip for you. What if you could create a page, a landing page for your PayPal account that anybody can pay you money from a donation or from, your products and services that are out there that they could pay you for them. This is very cool. It only takes 2 minutes to set it up. Let me show you how. Hey guys, this is Jason again, and before we get started into paypal.me, not .com, but .me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button up there and make sure you hit that notification so that whenever I send out a new video, you get notified. All right, guys, so let's get right to it. On my screen right now, I have my PayPal account that looks like this. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now, you're going to be able to do this, and I want to give you some ideas on how you can use it because that's the most important piece about it. Setting this thing up takes 2 seconds, to be honest with you. It's so easy. It's so fast. This video will be done by the time I can talk. But let me give you some ideas on how you can use it. Let's say you and your son or your daughter or whoever in your family, and they need some money. You can create a paypal.me, a page set up for them and for you, and you could transfer money to them. Very easy to do, so on a day-to-day basis. But let's say you're a contractor and you're installing ceiling fans, because I got one running right now because it's kind of hot in my office. And you install that and you want to get paid. Well, if that other client has a PayPal account, you could send them your business page right here and they can log in and pay you directly right there. You don't have to go set up a landing page, add a button, and have people how to set all that up. It's a lot of work and it's a lot of steps. This takes 2 seconds. Let me show you how. So when you go to PayPal, let me type in paypal.me. Okay, they'll look like this right here when it comes up. You'll have this link. Just click on that link, and then all you have to do is enter your name. So Jason, Gerald, and it'll find out if it's already being taken. It is, so I'll put a 1 on the end. Boom, it's done. That's it. Now that's available. It's got a little green check mark right on the right-hand side. That means, now here's the kicker here. Once you create it and set it up, you can't change it. Once it's connected to PayPal. Now you may be able to call PayPal and say, hey, delete it and all that, but that's a whole nother process we won't go into. But once you create that and you have your business name set up in there, it's done, it's connected to your account. You can only have one of these per account, okay? So the next step is just grab your link. And when I click on that, it's going to ask me to log into PayPal. And all you're going to do, it's so simple to do, is you just upload your image as your logo and then add a short description. You're done. That's it. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you how because I've already set this up on my account and I can't create another one and I can't delete it. So at this point. So here's another tip for you that you could use this with. Let's say, for example, you are a contractor and you are going out and making sales and you're getting paid, but you want to recommunicate with those people. So you can actually connect Zapier. Now, I haven't done this on my PayPal account, but you can connect Zapier to PayPal and create an email list. And every time somebody pays you, you capture that email so that you can remarket to those people if you need to at a later date. So that's just another idea for you to create another stream of income for you using paypal.me. It's very cool. Go out and set one up for you. Add it to your YouTube account. Add it to your Facebook account. Add it to your any account that you have. And anybody can click on it and pay you a donation or pay you for whatever services or products that you have. That's how cool it is. So that's another way of creating another stream of income. All right, guys, have a great day. And let me know if this video was helpful by commenting on this video and sending this out to other people. All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.